Let's take a look at this Dremel 4300 out of the box. This is what you get when you buy this. So go ahead and open the end here. First thing you're going to notice is this heavy duty hard shell storage case. This is great. It opens on the end here. It's got these two openings and a handle for transport. That snaps in place there. I'm going to pop this open. Let's take a look inside that box there. So we have the main Dremel unit right here, of course. Nice high powered. It comes with 5 attachments and 40 different accessories. All the accessories come in this little plastic case here. So it kind of keeps them, stores them all in there together. The unit, its power cord is there. One of the accessories is on it here. This is the bag of the other accessories, the 4 other ones. I'll just showcase those in case you're looking for something very specific. All the accessories here. There's that. Of course, the hard shell case, and then all the owner's manuals and instructions store right here in this top here. You can keep those on hand in case you ever need to look something up. But if you're wondering what the Dremel looks like coming straight out of the box, that's what you get.